take the heart out of me, and I be rich as I could be. I'm the heart of the streets. Take the heart out of me, and I be rich as I could be. I'm the heart of the streets. Take the heart out of me, and I be rich as I could be. I'm the heart of the streets. Take the heart out of me, and I be rich as I could be. I've been scamming a long time. Diamonds in my watch, make it kinda hard for you to watch. Sacrifice my brain, my love, my brain, my drug. Pain, gains, and fun, such and such. I've been rapping a long time. Only getting better. Make it kinda hard for you to stop. The goals that I set are embedded. Stretch my luck like a debit. If I open up the door, slip my leg in. Fam in the game, I ain't begging. How I'm stepping, no need for security. Keep a weapon, make sure friend got your back at all time. Watch for the clock. Say fuck the haters in the eye. Few months in the season change. I expect a little growth from the season plan. Ever since the kid had to need a man. That's why I need a hand. Hey, I'm the heart of the streets. Take the heart out of me. And I be rich as I could be. I'm the heart of the streets. Take the heart out of me. And I be rich as I could be. I'm the heart of the streets. Take the heart out of me. And I be rich as I could be. I'm the heart of the streets. Take the heart out of me. And I be rich as I could be.